Hello everyone, welcome back to my live class. So अभी अप्रॉक्स 4-5 लोग तो हो ही गए हैं। हम लोग स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं PHP Laravel इंटरव्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आंसर देखने वाले हैं कि इंटरव्यू में कौन कौन सा क्वेश्चन हम लोग को पूछा जाता है। कोडिंग मेनली हम लोग कोडिंग बेस्ड क्वेश्चन ही हम लोग सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। और तो अभी तक मैंने अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 5 क्लास मैंने ज्वाइन किया है और ये सारे क्वेश्चन मैंने ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूँ मैं 10 20 30 अप्रॉक्स। तो अभी 30 से लेके 40 तक हम लोग आज कवर करने वाले हैं। देखते हैं कि कितना हम लोग कर सकते हैं आज। तो चलते हैं। हमारा जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो ये है कि एक्सप्लेन एसक्यूएल इंजेक्शन और हाउ टू प्रिवेंट इट। तो एसक्यूएल इंजेक्शन क्या होता है और एसक्यूएल इंजेक्शन को हम लोग कैसे प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं, ये चीज़ हम लोग देखने वाले हैं आज। तो हम लोग देखते हैं कि क्या होता है। तो चलिए चलते हैं वीएस कोड में और वहाँ पे हम लोग देखते हैं कि कैसे हम लोग इसको करते हैं। तो हमारा क्वेश्चन अभी क्या है, क्वेश्चन नंबर है हमारा 31st। और क्वेश्चन ये है कि एसक्यूएल इंजेक्शन क्या होता है। तो एक्सेल इंजेक्शन तो आपको पता ही है। जैसे अगर कोई भी हैकर या कुछ भी अगर हमारे डाटाबेस में हैकिंग के पर्पज से अगर कोई मैलिशियस कोड हम लोग को डालता है तो उसको प्रिवेंट करने के लिए एसक्यूएल इंजेक्शन का यूज करते हैं। तो मेनली जो है हमारा, मैं अभी डिटेल में नहीं जाऊंगा क्योंकि मैं डिटेल में एक बार पहले ही बता चुका हूँ और हमारे चैनल पे मैंने वीडियो भी डाला हुआ है, तो आप वीडियो भी जाकर देख सकते हो। बट मैं मेन पॉइंट जो है वो बता देता हूँ। तो हम लोग कैसे करते हैं, प्रिपेयर स्टेटमेंट प्रिपेयर्ड स्टेटमेंट के हेल्प से हम लोग करते हैं, जो कि वीडियो में हम लोग यूज करते हैं। और और उसके बाद जो है प्रिपेयर स्टेटमेंट में ही हम लोग क्या करते हैं, बाइंडिंग पैरामीटर्स का यूज करते हैं, जिसके हेल्प से एंड वैलिडेटिंग इनपुट, जो इनपुट हमारे पास आता है उसको हम लोग वैलिडेट करके एसक्यूएल इंजेक्शन जो है हम लोग परफॉर्म करते हैं। ठीक है। और नेक्स्ट चलते हैं हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन अनसेट एंड अनलिंक। तो अनसेट और अनलिंक में क्या डिफरेंस है। नेक्स्ट हमारा क्वेश्चन हो गया 32। अनसेट 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 वर्सेस अनलिंक। रिमूव्स ए वेरिएबल, ये क्या करता है, अनसेट रिमूव्स ए वेरिएबल फ्रॉम मेमोरी। मतलब अगर सेशन में स्टोर है तो हम लोग उसको अनसेट करके इसको यूज कर सकते हैं। बट अनलिंक जो हो गया, अनलिंक क्या होगा, अनलिंक होता है हमारा फाइल को डिलीट डिलीट करने के लिए, डिलीट फाइल्स फाइल्स को डिलीट करने के लिए हम लोग इसका यूज़ करते हैं। तो ये आई थिंक हम लोग ने देखा भी था। पहले भी आई थिंक ये डाटा डॉट टीएक्सटी को हम लोग डिलीट करने के लिए यूज़ किया था। तो हम लोग ऐसे भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं अनलिंक अनलिंक और इसके अंदर में हम लोग क्या करेंगे, डाटा डॉट डॉट टीएक्सटी। ठीक है, इस टाइप से हम लोग कर सकते हैं और ये फाइल को अगर डिलीट करना हो तो वैसे हम लोग कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, अभी हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा है हाउ कैन यू इम्प्रूव परफॉर्मेंस इन पीएचपी। तो हम लोग जो है पीएचपी में परफॉर्मेंस कैसे इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, तो कैसे कर सकते हैं, ये मैंने शायद पहले भी बताया हुआ, बट चलिए फिर से एक बार डिस्कस कर लेते हैं हम लोग। कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं जो हम लोग देखेंगे। इम्प्रूव परफॉर्मेंस इन पीएचपी, कैसे का यूज करेंगे हम लोग, कैसे की हेल्प से हम लोग कैसे में हो गया आपका, जैसे रेडिस हो गया, मैम कास्ट, ये सब सारा जो है कैसे से हम लोग कर सकते हैं। अभी कंपोजर का हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं, जैसे कंपोजर का यूज हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, ऑटो लोड ऑप्टिमाइजेशन में। ठीक है, और उसके बाद जो है और भी बेसिक अगर कोड लेवल का बात करें तो एवोहाइड हम लोग करेंगे। बेसिक अननेसेसरीली हम लोग जो अननेसेसरीली हम लोग जो लूप्स वगैरह यूज करते हैं, क्योंकि लूप्स की वजह से हमारा कोड जो है वो स्लो होता है। और और हम लोग जो है इनबिल्ट फंक्शन का यूज करेंगे। इनबिल्ट फंक्शन मतलब अपना कोई कोड लिखने से अच्छा है कि हम लोग जो इनबिल्ट फंक्शन है पीएचपी का वो हम लोग यूज करें, क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा ऑप्टिमाइज होता है। चलिए इसका अगर हम नंबरिंग करना चाहें तो हम लोग नंबरिंग कर देते हैं, जैसे हो गया फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, और ये हो गया आपका थर्ड, ये हो गया हमारा फोर्थ, और ये हो गया हमारा फिफ्थ। तो फिफ्थ में क्या करें, और हम लोग जो है प्रिपेयर स्टेटमेंट के बारे में अभी मैंने बताया था। प्रिपेयर स्टेटमेंट तो एसक्यूएल इंजेक्शन के लिए और ऑप्टिमाइजेशन में भी हम लोग इसका यूज कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि इससे हमारी जो डाटाबेस ऑपरेशन है वो फास्ट होता है। तो ये सारे पॉइंट्स हैं। और अगर आपको आपने मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल नहीं देखा तो मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ कि हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में मैंने बहुत सारे प्लेलिस्ट ऑलरेडी अपलोड किए हुए हैं, पीएचपी, ओप्स, लारावेल, और तो आप लोग जाके चेकआउट कर सकते हो और देख सकते हो कि हम लोग कैसे लारावेल में कैसे लाइव वायर कैसे सेटअप करते हैं। ये सब सारा कुछ जो है मैंने वहाँ पे बताया हुआ है। तो आप लोग जाके चेकआउट कीजिए और देखिए कि मैंने कैसे किया है। मैं एक छोटा सा लारावेल लाइव वायर का सेटअप का अभी ये अगर आप लोग नहीं जानते हो तो आप लोग तब तक वॉच कीजिए, फिर हम लोग इस वीडियो के बाद जो है हम लोग इसको कंटिन्यू करेंगे।
Hello everyone. Today we will see how we create a Laravel a live wire CRUD application. So we will use the technology Laravel 12 and Livewire and Tailwind CSS and PHP 8.1 1 plus version is required, and MySQL we will use as a database. And in this tutorial we will you will learn how to set up Laravel 12 in your local system, and Livewire installation and component creation, and CRUD operations like create, read, update, delete. And also we will use Tailwind CSS as for a styling, for a clean UI. And also we will create real-time form validation and flash message also. So this tutorial will be very valuable for you as a fresher, if you are going to appear in interview. So this will be very helpful to you, and all the code and everything I will post it to GitHub. So let's start. Now we will set up the Laravel in our Laravel 12 in our local system. So for Laravel 12 setup, we will create a project in this folder. So we are going to just open this location in CMD, and I will write the command for Laravel 12 setup. So just write composer create project and space and Laravel / Laravel and your project name. So I am going to write the project name. So it's from my project name is Laravel Livewire CRUD. Okay, so I am just going to enter, and now this will take time. So it will take approx 1 minute to install Laravel 12 in your system. So just wait. So now you can see the setup is finished. Before this, when you start this Laravel installation, before that you need to check your Composer. Composer is installed in your system or not. So to check the Composer is installed in your system or not, just write Composer and press enter, and then you can see this icon. This icon is coming, composer. So in my system, composer is already installed, and I have created this project in htdocs. So before this, you need to install XAMPP. I think this thing you already know that in XAMPP I have created in htdocs, inside the project folder I have created this project. So if you don't know the how to install XAMPP in your system, so in description I have given the link of PHP tutorial where I have covered this topic, how to install XAMPP in your Windows. So just watch this video, and you will get the idea how to install XAMPP in your Windows system. So after installation Laravel, you need to go to that folder which project you have created. So cd Laravel Livewire CRUD. So this is your folder. Now you have to run your PHP artisan serve. Okay, so when you run this, your server will start. And now you have to check composer update. So this will update everything which you have created in your Laravel project. So just wait, it will update all the files in composer. Okay, so now we will run the PHP artisan serve. There is some spelling mistake. PHP artisan, ARTISAN. So this is the correct spelling of artisan. So done some mistake in spelling. So now you can see your server is running. So you need to press Control and click on this link. So now your server will be started. So you can see the Laravel project is started. So now I am going to install the Livewire. So you need to write the command for Livewire composer Livewire. Need to write required also composer require Laravel. Sorry, composer require Livewire. So now you can see the Livewire is starting to install in your system. So now you can see the Livewire version 3.6 is installed in your system. So if you want to check your Livewire version, so there is two way. You can check in composer file. So I am going to open this project in VS Code. So just write, if you want to open this project in VS Code, so just write code space and dot. So this will open your project in VS Code. So this project is now open in VS Code. So if you want to check the Livewire version, so you have to just go to composer.json file. So in composer.json file you can see the Laravel Livewire version 3.6 and Laravel framework work version is 12. Okay, so now I think the Laravel and the Livewire is successfully installed our system, and we are just going to check once run PHP artisan serve. So this will open this will start your application again, and we are just going to reload this. So you can see everything is running. So in this part I think we set up our projects, and the next part we will cover we will work on the UI part and all the controller model and everything we will create in next part. And I think everything is clear in your mind. If you have any types of problem, you can comment me, and I will push this code into our Git repository. So if you want to know how to push Laravel project into your Git, so you need to just comment. So I will also make the video on that, how to push your Laravel project on Git. So if you like this video, press on like button and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get latest updated video. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next part. Bye. Take care. Hello everyone, welcome to coding class. Today we will see about how to configure the database in Laravel. Configure the database. First of all, we are going to open our project in VS Code, and now we are running, just checking the project is running or not. So we are going to run this PHP artisan sharp. So now I am going to refresh it. So my project is working fine. So to configure the database in Laravel, first of all, we need to create a database in our uh, PHP MyAdmin. So we are going to use MySQL as a database. So we are just trying to open PHP MyAdmin index to okay. So this is not connected because jump is not started. So now I am going to start the jump. So I think now jump is started and PHP my admin will open properly. So now we are going to create a database. So our project name is Laravel Livewire CRUD. So I am also going to the same name for our database also. We are going to create just live wire CRUD, Livewire CRUD. This is the database name. So first step is just you need to create a database in your PHP MyAdmin. Then we have to go in env file, and in env file you can see there is just some commented code is there. So you need to write that database name what which you have created in PHP MyAdmin. So livewire CRUD, and root is username, and by default password is blank. So database is now configured. So now I am going to run the migration command. So you can see in inside database there is a migration file. So it will create you can see there is 3 migration table. One is table user, take cache table, and jobs. So when you are going to run the these commands, so some basic table will be created. So just to run the migration, we have to write the PHP artisan migrate. So it will be create a lots of database by default database in your PHP admin. So you can see there is no table, but when you run this command you will get by default 10 approx 10 table in your database. So now we are going to enter this command. So PHP artisan migrate. So this will create SQLite database. Okay. So sorry, I have not changed this one. So in database connection you have to need to write MySQL. Okay, so I think this is the error. Would you like to create it again? We are just I am trying to run this PHP artisan. So you can see the migration is running and the table is creating user, cache, jobs, and all that. So we need to just go to and check the refresh this database. So you can see there is approx 9 table which is default Laravel table. So you can say cache looks, field, job batches, migration, session, and users. So you can see the tables which Laravel is by default creating after running this command php artisan migrate. So if you do not know the what is migration, so migration is just like previously if you have worked on core php or any other framework. So if you want to create a table, so you need to go to php admin, or one by one you have to create and the table. But in Laravel, you need to create a migration file. You can see inside the migration file, all the codes is written there. If you want the user table name is also there. In table name, the column name is name, id, name, email, verified password, and this remember token and timestamp. The all the by default. If you want to change, so you can change this migration file also. So in detail, in next video we will talk about migration, but in this video I think the database connection and by default migration table is created in our Laravel project. So I think that's all in this video. If you have any types of problem to configure your database, you can comment out and I will reply. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe this channel, and share this video to your friends. So and hit the bell icon to get latest updated video from our channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you. Bye. Take care. Hello everyone. Welcome to coding class. Today we will see how to migrate create a migration file for any table, and also after creating migration file we are going to migrate it, and this will create a table in our database. So first of all we are going to VS Code and just starting my terminal and going to run my project. First of all I am going to check the project is running or not. So PHP artisan serve. PHP, sorry, my spelling was wrong. So artisan serve. So we are just going to open this command 127 point, yeah, 8000 port. We are going to open this in our browser, or you can also uh, when you click on this link, then it's automatically open in browser. So I am going to 127 this one. So my project is running successfully. So in previous video we have created by default migration files, which Laravel by default creating the tables by default tables. Nine tables are by default, which when you run the PHP artisan migrate, then this will create automatically. But if you want to create the another table, so you have to create a migration file for this. So to create migration we have to run the command. Okay, so now I am going to, for this project I will create a post table where the id, title and description and all that. So we are just going to run that command. P artisan make model, and whatever you want to you want the table post name table in our database. So this post is table name, and minus m for migration. So this command will create a model file and a migration file for post table in our Laravel project. So I'm just going to hit enter. So you can see uh, the file was created. Uh, this file is created. So I'm just going to you can see the model post.php is created, and there is a migration file which is inside migration data inside database inside migration. So now I'm going to open that file which we have created. So inside model app inside model, you can see the post model file is created, and one file also migration which was not previously here. So these two file are created with the help of this command php artisan make model post hyphen m. So I'm going to change this according to my requirement. So our requirement is by default it's only created two column id and timestamp, but we need more column. So I'm just going to create this one column for title. So I'm going to data type is a string, and column name is title. And another one is description. Sorry, description is the column name. I'm going to data type is text. So I have added the two columns. Put the name, description, not content. So I'm just going to create uh, uh, a blog. You have seen that in a blog you are posting the title and your content. So I am creating the CRUD application, something like that, where you can write down the title and the content, then you click on post and your post will be published. Okay, so there is two table, two column, title and content we have added. And now I am going to, you can see if you are going to in our database, there is no table which name is post table is not there. So when I am going to run the migration, then this migration will be this file will be create a table in our database with the column name id, title and content. So I'm going to run the command php artisan migrate. Sorry, the spelling is wrong. Artisan migrate. So this command will create a table. So you can see the create post table. So there is also create post table. So migration is finished for this table, for this migration file. So now when you going to table database, and you if you are going to refresh it, then you can see the post you can see the post table is here, and with the column name id and title, with the name id and title. So this way you can create a migration file. So you can just write down these commands if you want to note down. So you can note down php artisan make model post. If you want to create model, then make model post minus m. this means it will create a model file and it will create a migration file also. If you want to change anything in your migration file, if you want to add some more column and add some more data types and all that, so you can edit and save and then run php artisan migrate, and your table will be created in your database. So I think everything is clear. Do some more practice in your local. If you facing any types of problem, you can ask in my comment and I will give you reply. So I think I have covered all the points, how to create a migration file and how to migrate them into our database. So thanks for watching this video. See you in next video. Bye. Take care. Hello everyone, welcome to coding class. So today we will see how to upload the current project Laravel Livewire CRUD application. So how I will upload this project on Git. So I need to explain about Git. Okay, so Git. So first of all, we will upload this project, but before uploading this project, I want to explain something, what is Git and why we are using this. So Git is just like a version control system, uh, where we can track our code history, like when we have pushed the code, when we have changed any particular file, any line of code. So if you have pushed the code on server before 6 months, so after 6 months we can also check the which code you have changed before 6 months. And the biggest thing is, if you are working on in a team, so we can't without Git we can't track which team member is going to push whatever he want, and the thing. So Git is tracking every particular team member code update, like in which file which team member is updated which line of code, so something like that. Okay, so Git is just like a tool. So if anybody if in interview or anywhere, if anybody asks you what is Git, so Git is just like a tool. It's a versioning control system. It's just like a tool. And GitHub is a website which is using internally Git. So I can say that GitHub is only a website which is using Git as a tool. So they are tracking and they are tracking the code with the help of Git. So all the not only the Git, the other one also, example of other website like Git, GitLab, and Bitbucket, all are using internally they are using Git as a tool. So GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket, or many others also, all are just like a website which is using Git internally. So when I want to my current project is this. So if I want to push this code into our Git repository, so first of all we need to go to our terminal. So let's open the terminal. Okay, terminal. So first of all we need to initiate the Git. So if you want to check in your project Git is installed or not, so just Git status. Okay, so okay, so you can see the Git is not initiated in our project. So first of all we will do Git init. It will create a git file inside our directory. So when we so you can see initialized empty git repository in the Laravel livewire crud dot git. So now you can see now git is initiated. So if you again we are running this same code git status. So now you can see on branch master no commit yet and untracked file. These are the all are the untracked file because this file is not added. So if you want to add the file, so just we are writing the git add. Okay. So if you want to add a single file, so git add and then write your file name. Suppose if you are vit.config.js, if you want to commit, so just write this one. Otherwise you can if you want to add all the files, so git add dot, it will add all the file into git. Okay, so it will git add dot, I have run that the command and now all the file is, so you can see if you check git status, now all file are green, not in red color like this. So just you can see because all the file is added. You can see no commit yet, changes to be committed, means git file is added but not committed. So if you want to commit, just write this command git commit -m. -m means message whatever you want. So this is the first commit, so I am going to write here first commit. Okay, or now press enter. So all the commit is committed. Now the one thing I have to do, we need to go to our git repository. Okay, so now I am going to create a new repository. Just click on new, and write this one, Laravel livewire crud. Okay, so same thing we will write Laravel livewire crud. Okay, so we will create a repository and the visibility is public and nothing to do, only you have to click on create repository. Okay, and now you can see the Laravel livewire crud is ready. Or now you can see there is some commands. So we have done this git init already I have done, git add done, git commit we have done, and only we have to do git remote add origin. Okay, so this command we will run in our local. This command we will run in our local system. Okay, so now the remote is defined, the whatever git repository you want to add this code. So just you need to run this code, git push origin, git push. So we will write git push origin master, because our branch is master. You can see there is master on my branch master. So we will write run this command git push origin master and press enter. Okay, so you can see there is no file this time. You can see there is no file. This folder is empty, but when this process is finished, so you can see all the code is there. So when I am going to refresh this, you can see all the file which you have in your local. You can see app, http model and all that. I'm going to just uh, so you can see a http database and all that, everything is here. So you can see all the file is here now. So this way you can upload your Laravel file to our Git repository. We have finished the code to push the Git, and in next we will work on view part. We will create a view for the post, manage post and all that. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any types of problem regarding your Git configuration, and if you want to push Git on push the local code on your Git, if you are facing any types of problem, you can comment and I will reply on it. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, see you in next video. Till then, bye, take care. Hello everyone. Today we are going to see Livewire create component and layout. We are just going to run our project in our local system. So I'm just going to open a terminal and run the command php artisan serve. Okay, so now the project will started. So I am going to open this. So this is 127, this one error. Okay, so I think we have to run npm run dev front end site also. So now I am going to create a new terminal, npm run dev. So this is I think Vite is not installed in our system, so we need to install Vite. So for fix this Vite issue, Vite is not recognized internal command, so we have to install Vite. So before installing Vite, we need to install npm. So npm install. So now npm installation is started. So it will take time, I think 1 minute or 2 minutes, maybe according to your laptop or PC configuration. So you can see npm is installed. npx Vite. So you can see the Vite is running now. So before running this npx Vite, npm run build. Okay, so npm run build will build all the files, front-end files. So you can see now it's ready. So you can also npx Vite or npm run dev also. Now it is running perfectly. So I am going to refresh it. So now you can see our project is running perfectly. So now we are going to blade file. So I think this is the blade file, which you can see in this. We are going to create Livewire component and layouts. So for this we need to run a command So we are going to run command in our terminal. So open this terminal. We are going running to PHP artisan make livewire post CRUD. Artisan make livewire post CRUD. So we are going to create a post CRUD with the name of post CRUD. So now we are going to press enter. So it will create the component livewire component. So you can see the view file is postcrud.blade.php and class where we will create our insert, update, delete, and all the operations. So this is the postcrud.php. Okay. So now we are going to run our application. We need to check if anything is wrong or something creating problem. So we need to check this PHP artisan serve. So this is running perfectly, and in front end side we are just trying to run PHP run build, because front end side there is some view file also created in livewire layout creation. So now this is okay. We are running PHP npm run dev. Okay, so now it is running perfectly. Everything is perfect, and now we are going to create a view file using livewire. So just we are going to open this when I run this command, you can see this command livewire. PHP artisan make livewire post CRUD. So there is two files, post CRUD and this one. So we are going to open this. So you can see inside livewire post CRUD.blade. This is the view file, and also inside the livewire app livewire post CRUD.php. So inside app livewire post CRUD.php. So this file is also created. So I am just going to minimize this terminal. Okay, so now we are going to create this view file. So first of all we need to create in route in web.php. So just going to open web.php routes. So here I'm going to comment this, and now I will set a new route. We are going to create a route. So before this we need to include this file use app. Inside app there is livewire and post CRUD. Okay, so now we will create route get and here we will write post CRUD class. So it will automatically call this when I going to click this. So it will call by default this where this file, and this file will call this livewire post crud, this file. So I think there is nothing. So we are just going to write hello, this is our first live wire view page. Anything which you want, view page. Okay, so now we are going into terminal, and inside this we need to run npm run build. Okay, so npm run build, and now npm run dev, and now I am going to browser. Okay, now we are going to browser and trying to refresh this page. So when I am going to refresh it, so you can see there is some error in slots. So I think there is some spelling mistake. Slots is not only slot. Okay, so livewire is just trying to, and this is one scripts. Okay, so when I am going to refresh it, so okay, this livewire scripts, not a script. So there is some spelling mistake also. So I am just going to refresh it. Okay, so we need to include the css and js file also. So at the rate wait resources app.css. Okay, so now I think the layout will be changed. Okay, so now you can see the layout is changed according to the tailwind css. So if I going to source, you can see this livewire.js, it's opening, and also this css app.css. So this is tailwind css, which is built in our Laravel livewire. So it's by default it's coming. Okay, so now we are going to create a view file where there is a box with title. We enter a title and a content, and then when click on post, so post will be post and data inserted in database, and also the same time the post whatever you posted is display below this that post button. So now we are going to create the view. So let's go in Laravel livewire blade.php postcrud.php. Here we will create. Okay, and here in this file also blade.php you have to include the title I can closing tag, php, sorry, Laravel livewire crud. Okay, so when I am going to refresh it, so you can see Laravel Livewire CRUD title is showing. Okay, so back to postcrud.blade.php. Okay, so now we are going to write the design part, UI part of our CRUD application. So first of all, we are going to create a h1 tag for we are just what a posts. No, it's manage posts. So when you going to in UI, so you can see manage posts. So we need to add some CSS, Tailwind CSS in this. So we are going to our here we have to add some CSS. So class is equal to text. So you can see the suggestion is coming, and font bold and MB4. So now when I going, so you can see the is changed, but we need to move this marriage post in between of the page. So we need to write some CSS in this div tag. So I'm going to write some tailwind CSS in this div tag. Class max 2x 1. Okay. This width 2x 1. Now it is okay, and now it is okay. MX auto BG white and rounded x1 and shadow MD P padding 6. Okay, so when I going to refresh it, so you can see now it's looking good. So we need to change some CSS in this, because the all the content is wrapped up in this app.blade.php. So we need to add some CSS in body in this app.blade.php body inside this file body also. So class I am going to add bg gray 100 and text gray 80. Sorry, a spelling mistake. Text gray 80. 80 not 800. Minimum height. Okay, so now I think everything is okay, and I am going to put this inside a div div, and this tag is closing, and this slot will be, and here I am going to add a class container and max auto px4 and py6. Okay, so now I am going to refresh it. So now you can see It's looking good. It will be px4 and py6. Okay, now you can see. Now looking good. So we are going to this postgrad blade.php. So now here we are going to create a form where we will keep the title and content. Form. Okay. Inside the form tag, there will be two div, one for form and one for content. So this is level title, and other one is sorry, I need to close this level. And second one is content. Okay, so I'm going to refresh it. So it's okay. We will lots of thing to do in designing part. So first of all, this is a label. In front of this label, we are going to put a text box in front of title and comment also. So we are just going to write down this code. So input type text, and there is also input type text. So this one we need to design this. And in form tab we need to create a class space y4. Okay, now you can see the space between the title and content is maintained. And next we are going to design this level and input also. Class block text sm. Okay, and font should be font semi bold. Okay, and margin bottom is 1. Now I think level is okay. You can see it's looking good now. And same we will copy paste for content also. So we are just going to add same thing in level also. We are just going to copy paste. So now you can see content is also okay. Okay. So now we are going to write the CSS for input field. So class with full border gray gray 300. Okay, and rounded and px 3 and py 2. So now I think text box is looking good. Yes, you can see the text box is looking good. So we need to write for when the text is focus outline none. Okay, when we going to click in the text box, focus outline none, focus ring and focus ring blue 200. When I'm going to refresh it, you can see it's looking good. So the same thing we will going to apply in this content text box also. We are going to wrap this. Okay, so for this content we need to a text area. So I am going to text area. Okay, and I'm going to close it, text area. Okay, and the same class will be applied in this text area also. So I am going to refresh, paste this class. Okay, so now you can see this content is also like same. It's looking good. So now we will create a button, submit and cancel button. This div is starting here and this div is insert. So after this div we are just going to create another div for button. So div is closing now and we are going to create a button for this post button and cancel button. So this will be button type submit, or it will be post, and another one will be cancel. So it will be create post and it will be cancel, and its type will be button. So we need to write the CSS for this div and also button also. So just start class equal to flex item center and gap 2. Okay, so now I think we need to check this. The button is created, but need to create some CSS for this button because it's not looking like a button. Okay, so now we are going to create class for this bg blue 600. Okay, you can write rounded bg hover on hover, it's going to 700. and text white and px is 4 and py is 2. Okay, now I think it's looking good. Okay, now you can see it's looking good. So we need to create this same thing for cancel also, but in different color. So we need to copy this and paste it out in this also, but we are just not blue, we are just gray, and the same thing is here also, gray. And now I think it's okay. Now can see, yes, now it's coming perfectly. So now you can see uh, when we are going to write the title and the content, and when we click the post, so it will be inserted into database, and below this create post we will create a div where which you have inserted data is will be displayed with the update and delete button. So now we are going to create the UI part for this. So let's go in this post crud dot ph dot blade dot post crud dot blade. So below this form tag we are going to create a div, div div will start and div will end. Inside this div we are going to display data with the update and delete button. So now we are going to take a h2 button where we h2 start, h2 end, where we going to write all posts, all posts. Okay, after this all post we are going to display the data whatever you have inserted. So in this video we are only creating the UI part, and the next video we will create the working with the database and live wire insert functionality. Okay, so only we are creating UI. So again we are going to take a div tag. Inside this div tag there should be one h3 for title, where we are going to display some dummy data I am going to take, suppose demo title, and in next video we are going to display demo title dynamic, because when you insert it will be coming from the database, but this time we are only going to create some dummy data, that's why I am taking demo title. And inside p tag we are going to take content. So whatever you have whatever the content of demo title, so it will be displayed here. So I am just writing only some static value demo content. For demo title, you anything you can write here, because this is only dummy data. So and next thing will be there is two button, update and delete. So again I am going to take a div closing, and inside this div we are going to take two button, one is update and second one is delete. Okay, so if you are going to in so you can see need to add some tailwind css classes. So this will look like this: all post, demo title, and demo content, and update delete button. So now I will write the class for this part. Okay, so now I am going to add class for this button. Text blue 600. Okay, so now it's look like you can see update it. Now it's okay. And same thing I am going to add in delete. So in delete we are going to change this color to red. Okay, so now it will look like this, but we need to add more thing inside this. Over underline, and this same class I will add inside delete button also. So when you're going to hover your mouse, so you can see the underline is coming. So now it's okay. Now we have to create add some classes in demo title and content also. Class text LG and font bold. Okay, so now you can check this look like this, it's perfect. Okay, so next we are going to add some class in our content also. Text gray content 700 or empty, and margin top 1. Okay, so now you can see the changes. Now it's looking like good. So need to add some all posts and also this div also. Okay, now I'm going to format the document. So now it's looking good. Okay, so next thing is need to add this some classes in div. So going to add class text LG and font semi bold or 3. Okay, so now it's looking like good. Now we have to add some CSS in bootstrap class, tailwind CSS class in this div tag also. I have worked lots of in bootstrap, that's uh, every time saying bootstrap. So tailwind class I want to add this. I want to add this some class in this. So you can see this is just closer to this create button, so need some space between the create post button and all posts. So I'm going to write here margin top empty 8, so it will create the space between. Yes, you can see now it's looking good. Okay, and I want to create a this after all post I want to create a border type. Every title and content should be a card type design. So now for this we have to add some class in this and div tag also. Okay, so need to add border 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 gray 700. Okay, 700 not 200, 200, and this size will be rounded and pb 3 and 4 and mb margin bottom is it will be 3. Okay, we are going to add some shadow also. Shadow shadow shm. Now I think it's looking good. So you can see so every when you insert multiple records, so every records demo title and content creating this type of div with this shadow type. So now I think it's looking good, but we need to add some css in that app.blade.php also, because you can see it's coming into width is very it's not responsive and width is in whole page. So we need to mid of the page and reduce the width of this manage post div. Okay, there is some issue in my UI because you can see this div tag is very long, but we want this in center of our screen. So we need to check this, where is the problem. Now need to go app.blade. So yes, now you can see this double quotes is in here. We need to add this double quotes here. So now we are going to refresh it. Okay, so problem is still so we need to check this post crud blade.php. Okay, okay, so there is double x. I think this is the creating problem, because the class is max w2x. Yes, you can see in suggestion also you're giving this. Okay, so now we are going to refresh it. So yes, you can see now it's looking good. Now it is perfect design for our marriage post. So I think the everything is done in this video. So if you are facing any types of problem, you can comment out and I will give you reply. So if you like this video, so like, share and subscribe this video. And so thanks for watching this video. We will meet in next video. Bye, take care. Hello everyone, welcome to coding class. Today we are going to see how to create a seeder file in Laravel. So first of all, I am going to open my terminal to run my application. So in previous video we have learned how to install Laravel and Livewire, and then migration, how to create a migration, and how to upload the Laravel project on GitHub. So today video we will see about create seeder file in Laravel. So seeder is just like suppose you have a project and you need some dummy data in your project. So just going to in your PHP my admin, suppose you need to insert some data. So this is not the correct way. Every time you are going to in DB and just inserting the data, so it's not the correct way. So in Laravel there is providing the seeder functionality. So seeder is just like it creates a dummy data, 10 to 15 whatever record you want, and when you run the seeder, the data is dummy data is already automatically insert with the help of command. So and then you can test your application with that dummy data. So let's go. First of all, I am going to run my application. So PHP artisan serve. So this will run my application. Okay, so I'm just going to open my application which is in localhost 127. So this is our application. Okay, so we need to also run the UI part also. So I am going to open a new terminal also. See PHP npm run build. Okay, and npm run dev. So now you can see my application is running, and UI CSS is missing because uh, uh, because uh, because we are not running this npm run dev. So every time you are when you are going to run your application, so backend and frontend both you have to run. So backend side you have to run php artisan serve, and frontend side first of all you have to run npm run build. So this will create your front-end file, and then npm run dev. So it will start your Vite and front-end server also. So let's go. We need. You can see the demo title, demo content. This is a static data. So you can see in this blade file. So we have statically. This is static, so I am going to wrap it. Okay, so you can see this is static data. So we need to uh, give some dynamic value from our database. So but in our database there is no value, you can see. First of all, I'm going to see you which database we are using. So how to check which database you are using? So just go to .env file, and inside this location you need to go this uh, this one, the db connection database. So livewire crud is our database. So when you open php myadmin, just go to livewire crud. Okay, so livewire crud is here. So when I am going to click it, So it will open our database. Okay, so the data will display uh, from this post table, but you can see the post table there is no data. Okay, so now I have to create a seeder file for this. So to create seeder file we have to run some commands. So now I am going to create a seeder file for post table. So the command will be php artisan make seeder, and this seeder name will be post seeder. Okay, and just press enter. It will create a seeder file inside your database seeder folder. So when we are going to this database folder, database, you can see there is newly created this folder database post seeder. Okay, so we have created a migration file for post. So you can see uh, this is the migration file, and this is the seeder file. The same we have created the column name and like id, title, content. So we are going to create a dummy data for this. So we are just writing posts create it will be post create, or inside this create we are creating an array. So array will be like this, and you need to create a value like column name is title. Okay, title title suppose we are just going to write title first. Okay, we are just going to put this value inside our database. So title first, and there is another column is content. You can also see check the column name from here also, because the post table na? So title and content, and id will be inserted automatically, created at also inserted automatically, and updated at also automatically it will take, and only title and content we have to insert. So content we are just going to write title first content. You need to include the model file also. So use app model models post. क्या कर रही हो तुम? So you can see user app models post. So it will be you need to include this, because now you can see the error is not coming now. So this is the first value. If you want to insert more value, then you can also add the another array. So if you want to add more value, so you need to add another array for this with the comma separated. So next value will be in just second and second content. Okay, you need to add the third value. Okay, Okay, so now I think I have inserted 5 value. So we need to run a command to execute this seeder. So first of all, we need to register this post seeder file into our database seeder, this file. Okay, so we are going to write this call, and inside this post seeder class name, post seeder and class. To insert the multiple records in DB, so we are going to create DB and table users not its posts, and insert, and we are just going to paste it first record inside this, and okay, so something like this we are just going to create this. So for the multiple records, we have to do this. For the third record, now everything is okay, but we need to insert the DB file also. So we are going to use illuminate support facades and then DB. So now it will not create any error. So I think everything is okay. So now I am going to before this we need to remove this record. Okay, and now I am going to add this run this seeder file. So seeder is created. So you can see all the records is inserted. Okay, so we need to also add this created at and updated at. So we need to just go to our records, created at, we have to write only this now. Okay, and also updated at, same thing, updated at, same thing. So this we have to insert in every row. Okay, so now we are going to run this db PHP artisan db seed class, whatever the seeder file name, class name. So I'm going to enter. and this is successfully entered all the value in our table. So you can see the all the value with the created and updated at it is in our seeder file. Now you can see all the file, all the data, whatever you want. So it is very helpful if you have created a seeder file. See, all the time you need not to insert any value in your DB. So your directory just run this command. You will run this command and you will get the dummy data in your table. So I think this in this video, seeder, how to create a seeder file and how to run the seeder command, and what is the configuration we have learned. So first of all, I am going to summarize today video. So first of all, we have run this command php artisan make seeder, whatever you want to create a seeder file. So we are creating post seeder. So post database, post table is there. So only we have to in singular form, we are going to create this in singular form post seeder. Okay, so this will create a this seeder file, and inside this seeder file we have inserted 5 records. Okay, so 5 records is there, and after that we are going to include this in our database seeder.php, and then we are running this command php artisan db colon seeder or class. This is for a particular class. If you want to run all the seeder, so only you have to write php artisan db seed, only this. What if you want to run seeder for any particular file, so you have to write hyphen class post seeder. Okay, so I think this is the today's video achievement. So we have achieved the goal. So I think seeder, all the concept, I think you have clear. And if you want anything which you are facing any problem or something like that, so you can comment out. I will give you answer, and practice in your local. Then it will be clear in your mind. So I think I think this for today, for this video for today, this is enough. So we will meet in next video. So if you like this, press the like button and share with your friend and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, see you, take care. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Start Coding Class. So today we will see how to fetch the data from database using Liveware, and try to display in our web page. So if you don't know how to fetch data from database using Liveware, then this session going to be very important for you. So just be focused and watch till the end, and when you finish this video, then you can easily know how to fetch the data from database and display it on our web page. So our database is this Livewire CRUD. So you can see there is a table posts. So we are going to fetch the data from this table, this post table, and we are going to fetch title and content, okay, from this database, and we are going to display it on our in our Laravel application. So first of all, I am going to start my server. So previously also already I have told you, we need to start our server in two places, backend and frontend both. So first of all, I am going to start my server backend. So php artisan serve I am going to run. So you can see the backend server is started. So I am going to run the npm run build. So npm run build. So this will create a build file of our front end, all the files and packages. Build is running currently. It's not completed, so it is taking only 20-30 seconds. So now I am going to run npm run dev. So now our backend and front end both are both is running, and so now I am going to open this in my browser. So this is uh, um, our port, 8000 port. So you can see this is our application, and we are going to display this. You can see we are going to display this title and content inside this demo title and demo content. And this is only one record. If I think there is 5 records, so it will create 5 these types of div with the different values with the edit and delete button. So now I am going to start open my VS Code. So in VS Code we will write the code inside the we need to close this cedar and this one app.blade, no need this one. We required only this view file, and this file is also not required, and this file is also not required. So I'm going to close this. We only require this postcrud.php and postcrud only. We are going to write this in this controller. So you can see livewire.postcrud. This is the view file. So currently this view file is not carry any types of data which is coming from dashboard. So we are going to write some codes which will fetch the data from our dashboard. So first of all, I am going to create a variable public $posts. Okay, and this I will use here. So $this post is equal to, we are going to this model post and colon latest and this get. Okay, so I think the post is loaded in our system or not. So post model is not in our system. So we are going to include this use app slash models slash post. Okay, so now we can easily get this value in our view file. Here we will call that this $posts, and inside the loop we are going to display this. So here we are going to use for else. Okay, so normally we are going to use for each also, but for else is very useful when if you sometimes if you don't have any data. So in that case you can also write some code in the situation of if you don't have any types of data. So this for else is very useful in that case. So I am just going to $post as $post, posts as $post, and we are going to just end for else. I am just going to right here, for else will be ended. Okay, so this is the static part, so I am just going to remove it, and dollar post, inside dollar post will be title, because you can see in your DB it's title and content. Okay, so it will be title and content, dollar post content. Okay, so now you can see, if I going to refresh it, you can see syntax error and unexpected end if. Okay, so there is some issue is, and there should be a condition for empty. If it will be empty, then we are going to create a div no record found. Okay, so now I am going to refresh it. So now you can see the all the record, the total record is 1 2 3 4 5. So you can see the 5 record is showing here with their title and content. So if you want to check, you can change anything. Suppose if you are going to suppose you are content fifth. Okay, so if you're going to cut this part, okay, and we are just writing in the last. Okay, so you can see content fifth. So when I am going to this time fifth content, and when I going to refresh it, you can see is content fifth. So all the values are coming from the database. So all the value which is in database, in our database, is displaying here in our all post section. So I think it's very normal thing. So I am going to summarize it. So we have created a livewire this class post crud. Inside this we are going only we are creating a variable, public variable posts, and then we are going to write this dollar this post, because this is inside this class, so that's why dollar this posts, and post this name is model name, which we have included here at line number 6, use app models post. Okay, so inside post latest content and get. So we are taking the latest content from here. There is no need to pass if you have worked on in CodeIgniter or Laravel something, there we need to create an array at this place and something like that. So in livewire there is no need to create this types of thing, and we can easily access this variable here as a posts and this dollar post. So, and we have used for else in our blade this blade file. So we normally we are using, previously we are using for each, but for each there is no option for dollar empty if there is no record. But for else the main benefit of for else, you can use $1 at the rate empty, which is the condition in that case if you don't have any records. So this is very good thing in for else. So you can try in your local, and you can easily understand. If you have any types of problem, you can comment and I will give the answer. So I think today's our agenda is to fetch data from database and display it on our web page. So I think today our agenda is fulfilled. So if you like this video, then please like this video and subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon to get latest updated videos notification. Thanks for watching this video. Bye, take care. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Start Coding Class. So today we are going to see how to insert data with the help of Laravel into our MySQL database. In my last video, so how to fetch data from database and how to display it in our web page. So all the values are coming, this title, first comment, all this is dynamic and coming from our database. So today we are going to do, when I when I enter some value in title, suppose something, whatever you want, title suppose test, and content is demo, and when we are going to click on this create post, so that this data will be inserted into our database. Okay, so you can see in database there is only 5 records which we have inserted with the help of Cedar. So if you don't have watched that video in my playlist, so you can also click on I button. So in I button you can get the link of how to create Cedar and how to insert dummy data in Laravel. So we are going to in our VS Code. So in VS Code you can see this is the page where we have written the code. You can see this is the form. So now we are going to start the coding for this.
Spotlight shine bright all on me. Got the internet talking like, who is she? Whole world watching, they about to see that I can manifest anything, just count to 3. Spotlight shine bright all on me. Yes, all on me.
हेलो, क्या 199 वाला वर्कशॉप? जी हाँ, करवाते हैं। पूरा पिवट टेबल सिखाते हैं भाई। एक सेकंड रुकना, जरा एक और फोन आ रहा है। हेलो, 199 वर्कशॉप? जी सिखाते हैं। यस यस, वी लुकअप। अरे पूरा सिखा देंगे, क्यों टेंशन ले रहे हो? एक सेकंड रुकना, एक और कॉल आ रहा है। हेलो, क्या एआई और चैट जीपीटी? जी हाँ, एक्सेल में एआई और चैट जीपीटी भी सिखाते हैं। भाई आप लोगों को भरोसा क्यों नहीं हो रहा? एक बार ज्वाइन तो करो। ओ माय गॉड, फोन पे फोन आ रहे। एक सेकंड, होल्ड ऑन। हेलो, देखो भाई, मैं इतने सारे फोन नहीं उठा सकता हूँ दोस्तों। मैं डायरेक्टली आप लोगों से बात करता हूँ। इतने सारे फोन उठा के मैं
So you can see this wire.submit.prevent. Inside this wire submit.prevent, you can see there is a store. So a store is a function which is defined in our postcrud.php. So when we are going to click on this submit button, if I talking about in front end, so when we click on this create post, when I am just writing something in title field and content field, and when I hit this create post button, then this function will redirect to this store function. Okay, so for just checking, we are going to check when I click on this create post, so it will be print hi. Okay, so let's check it, test and demo. Okay, and when I am going to click on this create post, so you can see hi. So now it's working, so it's redirecting to this function. So I write something in title and content, and when I am going to hit this button create post, so the data will be inserted in this table, post table. Livewire CRUD is our database and post is our table, so the new record will be inserted here. So let's go, and now we have to write the code. So first of all, we have to do some validation, like this title field, title and content will be required. So for this we need to write $this validate title is required and content is required. Content is required. Okay, and after that we are going to write the code to insert into our database. So our database model is, you can see the post model. So the post model, post create, we need to call this post create, and inside this we are just going to write the value. So title, this will be the same as your database, whatever in you have written in database. So you have to write the same thing here. So title and content. So first of all title. So and we are getting the title value from this form. So we are just wire model title. Okay, so wire model title, we are going to $this title. Okay, and the next will be content and $this content. Okay, so now it will be if I going to click on this, so it will be inserted into our database. So first of all I need to format this document. Now it is okay. So when I am going to check this, so let's go check this. First suppose I am going to this and port test title is there. So I am just writing here fifth test title. Okay, and fifth test content. Okay, so when I going to click on this, I am just also going to open this inspect element. So and when I going to create this, so it will be, if the code is correct, then it will be inserted into our database. So you can see in database there is total 11 records.
Come, today I will teach you how to finish analyzing a full year's data and turn it into a dashboard in Excel, that too just in one day.
One full day? I can do it in 15 minutes. Otherwise, the boss would have never paid me 25 LPA.
That's thrice my CTC. And how is that possible? I have double your work experience.
It's quite simple. I integrated ChatGPT and AI in Excel, which helps me automate all my tasks like complex calculations, data analysis, creating dashboards, and even make insightful Excel reports in just 20 minutes. It not made me just faster, but also more accurate.
But I can't spend so much time and money getting another degree.
And you are also lucky.
So when I am going to click this create post, so it will be 12. One more record will be inserted into our database. So I am going to click on it. Okay, so nothing will happen because we have not printed any success message or something. So we need to check this into our database. So when we going to refresh this, you can see the one more record is inserted, whatever we have written in title and content text box. Fifth test title. Okay, so my code is working fine, but now we have to add some message which will be display from the upper part of this post. Nearby manage post, I will show the message created post successfully. Okay, so let's go. First of all, we will use this session or inside session you can call flash message flash, or inside this we need to message, and the full message will be post created successfully. Okay, so it will be display sorry, double I is incorrect. So I am just sending a flash message. So we need to print this session flash message into our blade.php. Okay. For flash message, we have to show this flash message above these forms. So for this we have to write some codes also. So I am going to put a if condition. If session has message. Okay, so in this situation we are going to a div. Okay, so the div will be like this, and we are going to print that session message. So session, and inside this we are just going to write the message. Okay, and after this div we need to end if also, otherwise it will give error. Okay, so I am going to format this document. So now it's looking good. So I'm just commenting flash message. Okay, when we are going to click on this create post, so message is showing or not. So for test we are going to sixth test title and sixth test content. Okay, so when I am going to click on create post, so message will be visible below the manage post. So you can see, yes, post created successfully is printed now. So it's looking good, and also the value is also inserted into our database. So now we have to do this. We need to add some CSS in this div, because it's not looking good. It's not looking as a success message. So we are going to add some Tailwind CSS classes. So let's go. Just add some class. Okay, so bg green 100 and border border also border green 400 and text green 700. Okay, and I am going to px4 and py2 and rounded also
Parakeet AI is an AI job interview assistant that gives you answers and solutions to every coding problem on your job interview. Our app is overlaid on top of your display, so it works with every video conferencing software. And when the interviewer asks you a question, how can you determine if a given string is a palindrome? You simply click the Answer Question button and Parakeet AI will give you the answer. And when it comes to coding problems, Parakeet AI can analyze your screen, provide highlighted coding solutions that you can copy and paste, and it is 100% invisible to your interviewer when sharing your screen. To make it easier to use, you can resize and move the window, and anytime you analyze the screen, Parakeet AI will first explain the problem, then write a coding solution, and finish by explaining the time complexity of a given solution. Also, you don't have to be on a call to use Parakeet AI. If solving a timed coding problem is a part of your interviewing process, Parakeet AI can still help you solve that problem whenever you need it to. Try Parakeet AI for free today.
Hi and welcome to Contabo. My name is Sabina and today we'll explore Auto Backup, our simple and powerful tool designed to keep your VPS data automatically secure in addition to the snapshot you might be used to. If you've ever worried about losing important files, this service is here to give you peace of mind with minimal effort. Let's get started. For those of you new to Contabo, we've been delivering reliable and secure hosting solutions since 2003. Based in Germany, we pride ourselves on combining exceptional performance with affordability. With 12 global data centers, we serve developers, small businesses, and enterprises alike, offering solutions tailored to projects of any size. Let's face it, we've all been there. You're working on a project and suddenly an accidental deletion or system failure leads to lost data. It's stressful and time-consuming to recover. With Auto Backup, you can avoid these headaches. It automatically creates daily backups of your VPS data, storing them off-server for up to 10 days. Whether it's an unexpected issue or a human error, your data is always accessible and as safe as technically possible. So how does it work? Auto Backup is as simple as it gets. There is the initial full backup. When you enable the service, we create a complete copy of your VPS disk already the following day. Then there is a daily incremental backups. Every day, only the changes since the last backup are saved, saving time and storage. Furthermore, there is our retention policy. As long as you require the service, up to 10 backups of subsequent days are kept at any time, with older ones replaced by newer ones. If you ever need to restore your VPS, it's just a few clicks away, minimizing downtime and getting you back on track. Now, let's look at what makes Auto Backup a must-have. It's fully automated. Set it up once, and it handles keeping your data safe in the background. It is reliable. Your backups are stored separately from your VPS, so even if the whole system fails, your data is safe. And it is affordable. Starting at just €1.15 per month, it's accessible to everyone using our VPS product lines, from small projects to large-scale operations. Ready to protect your data with Auto Backup? Visit the Customer Control panel and add it to your VPS. With robust security and unbeatable pricing, it's the best way to safeguard your valuable data. Thank you for choosing Contabo, where reliability meets affordability. If you found this tutorial helpful, like this video, subscribe for more Contabo guides, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo.
And also we are going to add margin bottom 4, and now check once. So the message is looking good. So first test title. Okay, first test content, and when I am going to hit this create push, so it will be visible. So you can see create post, post created successfully. So it's looking good, it's looking professional. So when I'm going to in our database, so it's showing the data is inserted in successfully. So this is good, but there is one problem when we are clicking on this create post now. So this text is not text box should be empty. So let's we have to do this also. Let's go to our controller, and there we need to create a function, uh, public function, reset input. Okay, so I'm going to, so we are going to write this title. When I call this function, then title will be empty, and also dollar this content will be empty. Okay, so, and this function I'm going to call this after this flash message. So we need to write this dollar this, I need to use this dollar this before this function name. Okay, so now I think everything is fine. So let's check this it's correct or not. So I'm going to write second test title. Okay, and second test content. Okay, so when I'm going to create this post, so what will be happen? There is a success message will appear here, and the input this text box will be empty. So let's click on this 1 2 3. Yes, so when we clicked on this, post created successfully is here, and title and content field is empty. So now it's looking good. So you can see, and the same time you can see the second test title is also coming into our this post section. Okay, so this is a good thing without page refresh. So if I going to one more test, third test title, and third test content. Okay, so when I'm going to click this, the message will be appear, and the input will be empty, and inside the all posts there is one record inserted without page refresh. Okay, so 1 2 3, you can see third test title is coming here, and post created successfully, and title this input field is empty. So I think for today our agenda is we have achieved the target. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye, take care. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Start Coding Class. In previous video we have already inserted the data when we are enter some data in title and content box. So and click on create post, so it will be automatically inserted into our database. So in this video we are going to see when we are going to click on this edit button, so data will be displayed in title and content box, and then this create post will change update post, and when we doing some changes in that title and the content, and when we click on this update post, so it will be updated successfully. So let's start. So first of all we need to go to our VS Code. So in VS Code you can see there is the edit button. When we click on edit, So on the basis of ID, so it will fetch the data from this database table, and it will be displayed in title and content box, and this button also will be changed to create post to update post. Okay, so we have to do some changes in this PHP crud.blade.file. So let's go now start. So for this we are going to write wire click same as in the form tab you have written wire submit. So in the same we are going to create a fire action on the click event. So that's why we are going to write wire colon click. Okay, edit. We will call a function edit, or inside this we are just going to write that post ID. Okay, so I think there is some problem. Okay, we have missed that double quotes. So I am going to just add this double quotes. Now it is okay. We need to create a function in post crud dot php. So this store function is end here. So now the next line public function edit. Inside edit we are just getting that ID. Okay, if you want to print that ID, so just write ID $ID. Okay, so when I going to click on this edit, the ID will be printed. So you can see the last one ID is 16. So and the content is third test title and third test content. So we are going to write the code to display the data in this text box, title, content, and also we will change this update create post to update post. So we will going to do in this function. So let's start. So first of all we are going to fetch the data from the dashboard with that particular ID. So we are getting ID from this $ID. So we have already a model post. So we will use find or failed. So now I think everything is okay. So now I am going to click on edit, and you can see the data is will be available in this attribute. Inside attribute you can see third test title and ID is 16 and this one. So you can see the we are successfully fetched data from the dashboard, and only I have to do is we have to show data in title and content. Okay, so let's go. So I'm going to comment this. So dollar this title is equal to dollar post title and dollar this content is equal to dollar post content So content and I am going to create a ID for that. So dollar post ID. So post ID dollar this post ID is equal to dollar post ID, and also I am going to change this edit button na? So I will create a condition for this also. So when we will create click on this edit na, so this text will be changed to create to update. So for this I am just going to create a is edit is equal to true. Okay, so I am going to create this also here, dollar is edit. Okay, so now I think is edit. Okay, so no is edit will be public, and its default value is false. Okay, and I'm just going to, now it's okay. So I'm just going to put a condition in our blade for the edit button. So simply I am going to just write a condition for this. So when is edit so when is edit is true, then it will be update post, and in else condition it will be create post. If it will be false, then it will be create post. Okay, so now it's okay, and I have to also change this method also. Okay, we will change that later, but let's go. Need to check this. So when I am going to click on this edit button, so you can see the three thing we have to do is we have to change fill the value in title, fill the value in content text box, and we have to change this button create post to update post. So when I am going to again refresh it, you can see create post, and when I am going to edit on this edit button, so the value will be placed in this text box, whatever the value of this post. So and the button will be update post. Okay, so now I have to next step is if I going to change anything, suppose anything if I going to change, and when I am going to update, click on update post, so it will be updated in our database. So okay, let's go. We need to change some into our blade.php also, because by default it in this time it is calling only a store. So we need to call the another function update also. When is edit is there, then it will call update, and when is edit is false, then it will call a store. So I'm something like this condition is edit, this types of condition I will going to create there. So when I am going to and when I am when is edit is edit is when is edit is true, then it will be update. When it is false, then it will be store. So store means insert data and update means update data. Okay, so let's go in our controller postcred.php, and now we have to create a function for this also. Public function update. So and we have to do something same like insert also. So in insert we are using this dollar this validate, or so we need to do the same thing required, and also when need to check the ID is coming or not. So for this we need to check dollar this post ID, because we have already this post ID now. So we are just going to check if post ID is there, then we are going to update the data. So for this we need to fetch the data. Dollar post is equal to post find dollar this post ID, and now we are going to call the update function. So dollar post update, or inside this we are going to take array. So title dollar this title content dollar this content. So I think the data will be updated, and the same way which we have created a session flash message. So we are going to create the same way in update also. So we are just going to copy paste, and only we are going to change this created to updated, post updated successfully, and this will be reset input will be call. This reset input is also we are going to, so in reset input also we have add some more fields like post ID is equal to blank, and dollar this is edit is equal to false. So let's go, let's check this it's working or not. So I am going to click on this edit button. So data is updated, and so when I am going to add something, I am adding something updated data, and also the same way updated data. Okay, so when I am going to create on update post, so it will be happen that there is a message will display here, and the this text box will be empty, and this button will be create post, and the updated value will be displayed here, and the inside database also the value will be displayed. So let's go 1 2 3. So when we have clicked on this, you can see title content box is empty, and the updated value is display here without the page refresh. And in the database, when I am going to refresh it, you can see the updated value is inserted, or you can updated data is 30. So today is 30 June, so updated data is 30. Okay, so I think everything is okay. So let's we need to check some other data also. So when I am going to click on this second test title, so it will be display here, and I am going to write here second title updated data. Okay, and second content updated data. So when I am going to click on update post, so message will display, text word will be empty, and the value will be without the page reload, it's display. So you can see second title updated data is here, and everything is working fine. In our database also you can see second title updated data or second content updated data is displayed. So to when we going to click on edit button, so data will be display in this box, and the button will be changed to update post. And when we are doing some changes and in title and content, and when going to click on update post, so data will be inserted into our database, and all the message is display here, and the text box will be empty, and the without page reload the data will be display in this section all posts. So I think it's we have done for today. So thanks for watching this video. So if you like this video, so please like this video and subscribe the channel, and also hit the bell icon to get latest updated video. Thank you. Bye. Take care. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Start Coding Class. So in this series we are working on this Laravel Livewire CRUD application with Tailwind CSS. So we have completed the create post, update post, and also display all the post in this all post section. And also we have completed this when edit post also. So today we are going to see how to delete post when we are going to click on this delete button. So the post will be deleted from our database table. So this is the table posts. So let's go. So create some link on delete button. So first so for this we need to go to postcrud.blade.php file. So let's go. So this is our delete button. So the same what we have done in edit on edit button. So same on click, wire click, we are going to call a delete function, delete, and the same we are going to pass the ID. Okay, show post ID, and now we are going to create this delete function in our postcrud.php. So let's go. In below this update function we are going to create the delete function also. So public function delete $ID. So now you can see the ID will be display $ID. Okay, this is now you can see it's 16, and when we are going to click on this, I think this is 15. Okay, so now the ID is coming. So again I am going to open this site. Okay, so let's go. We are going to write the code to delete data from our table. So we are just going to write post find $ID, and just going to call the delete function. And when this is successful, then we are going to call this flash message post deleted successfully. Okay, so let's go. Now we are going to check this. So when we are going to click on this delete, so it will be deleted from here also. So I am just going to refresh it. So you can see there is 8 record, total 8 record is there. So when I am going to delete this, so it will be 7 record. Okay, so I think we have to comment this dd. Okay, so now we are going to, and when we are going to click on this delete, so data will be post deleted successfully. And when I am going to refresh it, so total 8, now the total will be 7, and 16 ID is deleted. So now again we are going to check this. Just click on delete, so it will be the post deleted successfully, and the 15 will be ID 15 will be deleted. So also delete functionality is also working fine. Okay, so I think we have covered all the operation like insert, update, delete, and everything, and view also all the posts. So this is our live wire Laravel CRUD application in Tailwind CSS, where we are going to doing some CRUD application. So I think this tutorial is now is finished. We have achieved the goal. And so if you not watched my previous video, so you can go. I have given the link of playlist, so you can check out all the videos. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye, take care. हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टार्ट कोडिंग क्लास। आज पीएचपी उप सीरीज में हम लोग देखने वाले हैं ट्रेड्स मेथड ओवरराइडिंग।
So now we will see the next question. The next question is what are the design patterns used in PHP? So if we're talking about design pattern, so just we are going to VS Code editor. Design pattern in it's 34 number question. 34 design pattern. So there is multiple design pattern. So if I'm talking about the most important design pattern, so first I can say singleton design pattern. Second is factory design pattern, and third one is repository design pattern. Repository design pattern. Fourth one is observer design pattern, and fifth one is strategy design pattern, or sixth one is adapter design pattern. So these are the most commonly design pattern which is used in PHP. So we are moving to next question. What is the difference between cookies and session? So I think this question we have already covered, but again I'm just going to explain you. Cookies, the main difference cookies versus session. So just I'm going to write cookies. Just going to write session. So session first point is it's stored in server. Stored in server, and cookie is stored in browser. Okay. Second point, it's very less secure. Cookies is less secure, and if I'm talking about security in session, so it's more secure than cookies. And third point is uh, size limit in cookies, but in if you're talking about session, so no limit, no size limit. No size limit. So these are the main difference between session and cookies. So if an uh, interviewer is asking you that what is the difference between cookies and session, so you can mention these points, so they can easily understand that you have knowledge of cookies and session. So next question is explain MVC architecture. So if I'm talking about MVC architecture, so MVC it's MVC architecture. So MVC M stand for model, means database interaction. Direction, and V stand for view, means UI part. UI, and C stand for controller, writing our business logic. Okay, so uh, this is the explanation of MVC architecture. So in model file, we are just writing our operations related to uh, uh, database database operations like read, insert, update, delete, all the things. And in view side, V for view. So view is UI part, your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and all that. And controller is just like your controller and business logic. We are just going to write there. So I think we have covered approximately 6 to 7 questions today. So now today's session is it's I think it's very long. So we are just going to wrap up this session, and now we will connect after this next session. I think tomorrow we will connect. So thanks for watching this live. We will meet you in next live. Bye. Take care. Good night.